mechanical energy is what I call the matter or the mass of all the other energies. Yeah? So it's what's created from all these other energies. Yeah, it's the physical mass, it's the matter, it's us. So as human beings, we're mechanical, we're all these energies, but when you look at us at a mass and you just look at us on a surface space, we're just mechanical energy. Yeah, because we're mass, we're matter. Yeah? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah? Beautiful. So when we're looking at us, and we're looking at healing for mechanical energy, we're looking at all of these: sound healing, hands-on healing, taste, aromatherapy, and we're looking at physical movement like yoga, Pilates, and things like that.